Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. We haven't done one of these episodes in a minute, but I'm excited about getting back into them. Today we're going to be talking about Instagram and how to share music on your Instagram story. So some people down here in the bottom have a feature called Music. I do not have that feature on any of my accounts. It's a new feature, it's rolling out slowly. It might roll out to newer phone models first. I'm on an iPhone 7 Plus, so it's kind of outdated at this point. It's a couple years old, but I would guess that they're rolling it out to newer devices first. So I don't have that yet, but we do still have some options for sharing music. I'm going to cover one of those in this video today, and then we're going to end up doing more videos on this series. So today we're going to do how to share a Spotify song onto your Instagram story. And then in future videos, we'll get into some more advanced stuff. Maybe we'll get this feature unlocked, but I'll also show you how to record the music and share the song, make a video with it or over a photo, all that stuff. We'll get into that later. But first, let's hop over to Spotify. We're going to show you the Spotify method first. So you can open up Spotify here and go to whatever song you want to share. So let's say down here in the bottom, this is the song that I want to share. This is Eminem. This song is called Berserk. I was just randomly on this one on a shuffle playlist. But what we want to do is tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. That's going to open up a menu, and then we want to go to the share option. Tap on that. That's going to open up another menu, and then you want to tap on Instagram stories. That's going to pull this song straight to your Instagram stories. So here's what it will look like. You can then type whatever you want on this. You can type on top of it. You know, you can add the time and the polls and the sliders and the temperature and all of that stuff. Just as you normally would, you can draw on top of this or behind it, it looks like. You can also take this, move it around, spin it, resize it, all of that stuff. So that's a nice touch if you want a little bit different size there. On some of these you can tap them and get a different style. I don't think there's any different styles for this one. And then once we share this, it's basically gonna include a link directly to Spotify. So this is kind of just a photo that will take people to Spotify. And this could be good if you're an artist too, especially if you don't have any of the swipe up link features. You don't need swipe up links to use this, but you'll still be able to link this to Spotify. So I think that's kind of cool. That's a nice touch as well. You can of course add filters on this thing too. And another thing to point out, let me open up a GIF real quick. Let's do arrow. Okay, let's pick this one. And then right here, you'll see right below your name. That's where a link for Spotify is going to show up. That's where they'll need to tap to go to this. So I'm going to put this right about there. And that's just a nice little extra touch to show that this will be a Spotify link. And then I'm just going to hit add to my story in the bottom left. You could also hit send to and send this to specific people, but I'm just going to add it to my story. And there we go. It's been added to the story. Let's head over there and take a look at that and see what it looks like. So here, let me pause this. Here is what it looks like on my story. You can see the GIF is playing. It's pointing right at the Spotify. Let's go ahead and tap on that. And it's going to open up this thing that says open in Spotify. And then people can go directly to this song and see it and check it out and play it and all of that good stuff. But there you have it, how to share a Spotify song on Instagram. That's just one method for sharing music. It's probably the easiest method that anyone can use. It's especially nice for artists because if they're not popular, if they don't have 10,000 followers yet, you can't have a swipe up link, but you can link directly to some of your music. So that could be really good for you. Anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions and I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos and more updates coming on how to share music to Instagram, maybe even how to share music to different apps like Snapchat. So be sure to subscribe for that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.